Don't miss this pristine, one-owner ranch in desirable Waterloo, Illinois. Boasting an open floor plan, this meticulously maintained home features brand new LVP and LVT flooring, plus fresh carpeting on the stairs and in all bedrooms, installed April 25. Enjoy the spacious living room and kitchen with a striking beamed vault ceiling. The kitchen offers abundant cabinetry, counter space, a tiered breakfast bar, and a pantry. All appliances, gas range, microwave, dishwasher, are included. Step outside to a 12 by 12 maintenance-free deck with a gazebo and pull-down shades. The primary suite features a walk-in closet, ceiling fan, and a roomy bathroom with a double vanity and walk-in shower. A convenient hall bath includes a tub/shower combo. Main floor laundry adds to the ease of living. The full walkout basement, with 2 windows, presents excellent potential for 2 additional